Hello viewers, welcome. Today I talk dark truth of mobile addiction. Nowadays, mobile is an important device that makes many of our tasks easier, but we are suffering a lot of damage due to mobile phone, which you can't even dream of. So, what is the loss to us for the mobile phone at the funeral? Well, started. First, know it how much the allure of mobile devices. Mobile devices are designed to be addictive with constant notifications, social media apps, and entertaining content. These features are engineered to keep users engaged. Then, health implications. Negative impact of mobile addiction and physical and mental health, such as sleep disturbance, eye strain, and increased stress. Next, social isolation. Excessive use of mobile devices can lead to social isolation as people spend more time online and less time in face to face interaction. Then, productivity and concentration. Mobile addiction can hinder productivity and concentration, affecting work and personal life. Well, these are the dark truth of mobile addiction. Mobile device usage and seek a healthier balance in your life. Well, you understand this conclusion, then like and subscribe this video and share your friend circle. Well, keep learning and hard work. Goodbye, my friend.